Christmas 2025 tears up the rulebook, jewel-toned trees, maximalist bows, even multiple furs in one living room are in, while last year's muted minimalism is officially out. Designers are calling this the most dramatic holiday decor shift in a decade. Why have homeowners stopped playing it safe? And what trend is about to redefine festive style for good? Let us unravel the story behind the year's boldest holiday transformation. Color is rewriting the holiday rulebook for 2025. Deep jewel tones, think navy, emerald, burgundy, and rich red are everywhere, making last year's grays and beiges feel almost invisible by comparison. Designers are pushing boundaries, pairing these saturated shades with unexpected accents like butter yellow and vibrant teal. Elizabeth Gunchinan from Paragold puts it bluntly: trends are leaning away from muted grays and beiges and moving towards bolder colors and patterns that are typically not associated with Christmas, such as pinks, teals, and oranges. Metallics are no longer just an afterthought. Gold, champagne, and bronze are layered in for a sense of maximalist luxury. The result is a palette that feels both sophisticated and unapologetically festive. Homeowners can ditch the fear of clashing. This season, the more personality in your palette, the better. Swapping out old ornaments or ribbons for these bold hues is the fastest way to transform a space and signal you are ahead of the curve. Statement pieces are rewriting the holiday decorating playbook for 2025. Bows have moved far beyond their old role as tree toppers. Christy Fennon from Frontgate calls it a major surge. Bold, oversized bows now appear on wreaths, stair railings, mantels, and even in unexpected places like kitchen shelves. Ribbons in saturated colors and striking patterns are draped throughout the home, acting as instant mood changers. Elizabeth Gunchinan describes bows as bold pops of color and pattern, no longer reserved for the tree's peak. This approach lets homeowners update their entire look with nothing but a new spool of ribbon. Oversized ornaments are also dominating, with extra-large baubles and dramatic shapes turning trees and tabletops into focal points. And it is not just one tree anymore. Mini and themed trees are appearing in bedrooms, kitchens, and entryways, with retailers reporting a steady uptick in multi-tree setups. The message is clear in 2025: more is more, and every corner is fair game for a little holiday spectacle. Holiday decorating in 2025 is defined by a dramatic split between two philosophies: maximalist luxe and Nordic warm minimalism. On one side, maximalist luxe is all about layering, velvet ribbons, metallic animal ornaments, and bold whimsical accents that turn every surface into a stage. Animalia, from gilded swan salt cellars to polar bear stockings, brings a sense of play and opulence. Noel Fodden sums it up best: it is all about creating magical, personality-filled celebrations. There are no hard rules. Mixing patterns, stacking textures, and spotlighting statement pieces are not just allowed, they are encouraged. But for those drawn to calm and comfort, Nordic warm minimalism offers a softer approach. Picture hand-cut paper stars, wood bead garlands, and simple greenery woven throughout the home. The look is cozy, not cold. Think soft knits, natural wood, and handcrafted details that feel both intentional and welcoming. This style leans on artisan touches and natural materials, creating a space that feels grounded and restful. Whether you gravitate toward exuberant abundance or quiet, crafted restraint, 2025 brings room for both personalities to shine. Vintage is having a renaissance, but this time it is paired with a conscience and a focus on sustainability. Thrifting has become a main route for holiday decor in 2025, not just for the thrill of the hunt, but for the stories and sustainability that come with each piece. Kristen, a seasoned decorator, breaks it down by budget. For $0, she suggests gathering pine cones and branches from your neighborhood, or repurposing last year's ornaments with a coat of low VOC paint. With a $10 to $15 budget, local thrift shops and estate sales offer classic glass baubles, brass candle holders, and retro tree toppers that outshine anything mass-produced. DIY crafts are thriving too. Dried citrus garlands cost less than $8 to make, cinnamon stick bundles come in under $6, and all can be composted within 3 to 6 months after the holidays. Renting large statement pieces or opting for living greenery, like potted evergreens you can replant, closes the loop. The result is decor that is high on charm and low on waste, letting homeowners celebrate with both style and substance. Digital tools have taken the guesswork out of holiday decorating in 2025. AI-powered platforms like YouCam AI Pro and My Edit let anyone preview bold Christmas concepts in seconds. No design degree or hours of Pinterest scrolling required. Type in a prompt, for example, Nordic minimal living room with emerald and gold accents, and YouCam generates a virtual tree, garlands, and ornament layouts tailored to your vision. My Edit goes even further, letting you upload a photo of your own space and instantly see it transformed with themed decor, from classic maximalist to pastel modern. For those who want to skip the planning and go straight to shopping, DECOR8.ai offers AI-generated room mockups with direct links to buy featured ornaments, wreaths, and even full tree kits. It is a frictionless path from inspiration to execution. Lighting has evolved too. Warm, multicolored True Tone LED bulbs are everywhere, bringing back the nostalgic glow of childhood Christmases but with modern efficiency. Homeowners are layering color recipes. Think jewel-toned lights for the tree, soft golds for mantles, candy colors for kids' rooms, all programmable from a smartphone. Scene presets mean you can change the entire mood of your home with a single tap. Looking ahead, the next frontier is clear. By 2030, expect modular decor subscriptions powered by AI, where homeowners swap out entire holiday looks each season with the help of digital curation and shoppable, recyclable kits. Kristen's advice is simple: embrace the tech, experiment boldly, and let your home tell your story. Because in the new era of holiday decorating, imagination is the only limit. Holiday decor now evolves as quickly as our technology and our values. In 2025, what you choose to display says as much about tomorrow as it does about tradition. Your home writes the next chapter.